Hello everybody, no posts this week for the meme world because, you know, my computer died, but we're getting it fixed. But in the meantime, since you guys seemed to like my horns last time, let's find out what we got in there right now. Horns. That's my favorite, 1950s. Where's the little turn thing? Oh fuck, never mind. Okay, next. Transformers. That's an oldie but a goodie. Yeah, that's Harry Potter. Yeah, that's a Sucking My Balls song. I think that's whatever the hell it is. I hope you could hear that. That's the marijuana song. Enjoy your day. Happy COVID Easter. Let's party like it's COVID 1999.